Welcome back to another recipe video here on my cooking channel, guys. It's another weekend and today meron na naman tayong isang napakasarap na recipe na pwedeng gawin ninyo sa inyong mga kusina na napakadaling lutuin, which is ang ginataang gulay. Now, for our ingredients, sisimulan po natin sa mga gulay na gagamitin natin for our ginataang gulay. We have squash. We will also be using string beans and okra. So, masusurprise kayo guys, kahit gagamit tayo ng okra, hindi magiging madulas ang ating okra. I'm gonna give you a tip how to cook it. We will also be using eggplant and I've sliced it in cylindrical tubes like this, tapos hinati ko po siya sa gitna. Gagamit din po tayo ng ampalaya and I've soaked this already in salted water for about 15 minutes and I've already washed it. And gagamit po tayo ng siling haba or siling pansigang and red chilies. We have hipon for our sahog or swahe. You can also use pork if you want. Now for our aromatics, we have ginger, garlic, and onions, of course. And for the star of our ginataang gulay, syempre hindi ito mag-workout kung wala tayong gata. So gagamit tayo ng 1.5 cups of gata. And we will be using salt to season our dish. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. Now for our ginataang gulay, my version, hindi po ito ginigisa. Napakadaling sundin po nitong recipe na to because kahit ang isang bata pwede po niyang gawin ito. So ilalagay lang po natin yung gata sa ating pot. Ilagay na rin po natin yung ating luya, yung garlic, at saka po yung sibuyas. Titimplahan na rin po natin ito ng salt. Naglagay po ako ng mga 2 kutsaritang salt. Pero syempre nasa inyo po yan kung paano po ang panlasa ninyo. So for now, 2 teaspoon ang nilagay ko and pakukuluan lang po natin ito. Now once it boils, let's mix this and then we add our vegetables. We start off with the squash dahil matagal-tagal po itong lutuin para lumambot. And then I just distribute this in the pan para hindi po siya nagkukumpulan. Nilagay ko na rin po yung hipon para maglasa yung hipon sa ating sabaw. Now let's cover our pan and let this boil for about 7 minutes or hanggang sa maluto yung hipon. You would know that your shrimp or swahe is cooked kung orange na po siya. Ang tingnan nyo po dito is yung ulo niya. Kung wala ng color gray part, ibig sabihin luto na po ito. Now, once this is done, add na po natin yung ating sitaw. And I'm also adding the green chilies or the siling haba para manuot na rin po ito sa ating sabaw. And of course, the red chili pepper as well, kung gusto nyo ng maanghang-anghang. I'm adding the eggplant or talong and sinisingit ko lang siya sa ating pan para rin po hindi siya nagkukumpulan. And iboboil natin ito further for about 4 minutes until medyo half-cooked na yung ating eggplant. Now, I've already tasted our dish and to level up yung lasa niya para mas maging umami siya, nilalagyan ko po siya ng about 2 teaspoons ng magic sarap. Sa mga ayaw po gumamit ng magic sarap, pwede nyo pong dagdagan ng patis. And that's gonna bring out the umami taste of the ginataang gulay. Now, I'm adding the ampalaya. I've cut it into strips. Now, hindi po masyadong maraming ampalaya para po hindi po pumait yung ating ginataang gulay. And then I'm also adding the okra at the very last part. Now, yung iba sa inyo ayaw ng okra kasi nga madulas. Pero I wanna share with you a tip. Lalagyan natin ito ng 2 bottle caps ng lemon juice or sa mga 2 teaspoons ito. Kung wala po kayong lemon juice, pwede naman pong kalamansi. Now, the sour component will prevent your okra to become slimy. Okay, hindi po niya gagawing madulas yung inyong ginataang gulay. So, I'm just sharing you that tip para hindi kayo matakot kumain ng okra, lalo na kung meron siyang kasamang sabaw. Now, let's do our final tasting. Wag po nating hayaang ma-overcook yung ating ampalaya and okra. And this is our finished product, yung aking version ng ginataang gulay. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below kung nasubukan yung gawin ng recipe na ito. Share this video recipe to your family and friends. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, that's Yen E for cooking videos and recipes. Tap also the bell for the notifications on new videos and recipes. And thanks again for watching, guys. See you again on another cooking episode. Bye now!